Man, it was a fight getting this van up here. Those injectors are, I'm sure they're stuck, they're gummed up or something, but I'm having to like foot pedal it the whole way. See if the gas is gas station stop. I'm gonna have to drop the tank again because the gas hand is not moving. The gauge did not move, so I'm gonna have to drop the tank again. I guess it overheated, I'm not sure. I guess that's what that is here. Well, I found what was wrong with the van. Radiator crack. I'm sure you can see that big ass crack. So that's probably the reason he parked it. Thought it overheated. But the radiator crack started leaking. I think I want to try to fix this one because looking at this EGR valve, you can tell it's newer. Looking at the thread sealant on this vacuum line, that's new. When I came over here and looked at the coolant temp sensor, you can see where we at. Yeah, right there. Let me zoom out. The tape on that, like somebody just replaced that. This wire isn't hooked up, but that wire goes to the green. Let me zoom out. This wire isn't hooked up, but it connects to this green wire here. That one's sticking up right there, which is an easy fix. That's what controls the temperature right here. That wire. Easy fix. I'm just looking at like how clean, like it may look dirty, but the intake manifold, it's not oily, it's not dirty. And I look at the gasket and I can tell that it was changed, you know, not like yesterday, but it was changed, you know, a little while ago. And that's what's got me thinking, like, man, it may not take much to get this one running because it runs fine, doesn't make any noise. This I'll have to change because I can see it's starting to leak from being an old hose. It's like a little crack right here. And I go like this. So this hose would have to be changed, which is a rubber hose. Needs a radiator. The injectors, I think the TBI system needs to be rebuilt, which is 2 injectors and new gaskets. That's it. And then I think that's really it, man, because this thing is not that dirty. Of course there's dirt on it, but I mean, valve cover gaskets not leaking. You can see the shiny exhaust manifold gasket right here. Like it's still, I can tell he took care of this. Like the colors of things, you can still see everything it's not like it's been neglected, and it's just, you can tell when someone didn't take care of it. They took the time to put the clips back on the spark plug wires. They're not just hanging around. So that's what got me thinking, like, I might just try to get this one back running.